Good morning from NPTI Florida. I'm Pat Sherman. It is fall. We are heading into the fourth quarter, guys. I have graduation with our newest personal trainers in about two and a half weeks. And then we have our incoming class that starts October 23rd. That being said, a lot of my graduates are asking some questions on a daily basis pertaining to how to create a personal training brand and or a limited liability corporation, LLC. So I'm just going to break it down in simplified steps today, 5 steps to create an LLC, a fitness business LLC. The first and most important part as an NPTI Florida graduate personal trainer is to determine the name. Choose your brand, okay guys, whether it's Pat Sherman Fitness LLC, John and Dwayne's Personal Training Studio LLC, choose a name. Then the most important part, once you choose a name, is we need to verify that availability. It may have been taken, somebody else may be utilizing that in their LLC, like for like similarities and things. So before you spend any money creating an LLC, we want to verify the availability. If you're in Florida, you go to sunbiz.org, myflorida.com, type in the name, your brand, and it will tell you whether it's available or not available. That's the first step, guys. Once you determine that it is indeed available, you're going to want to file for that LLC. In Florida, currently, it is about $125 to file for a business LLC in your personal training name. I recommend applying online. Online, you can receive your LLC confirmation in about 5 days. If you go old school, print it out, mail it in, it's going to take maybe 2 to 3 weeks. So let's file that application online. During step 2, during the application process, they are going to ask you to appoint a registered agent. Sounds confusing, might stress you out. What is a registered agent? Who could be a registered agent? Real simple, guys. It could be your mother, brother, friend, wife, boyfriend, girlfriend, anybody 18 years of age. They have a physical address, not a P.O. box. This is an address where they could accept mail on behalf of said LLC. Alright? Appoint a registered agent. Then you're going to file articles of incorporation. File it online. You're going to ask for a $125 fee. We're going to wait 5 days if you file it online. Could be 2 to 3 weeks, if not longer, if you mail it in. Then you will receive a tax ID EIN, employer identification number. Most important part, that's part of the articles of incorporation. You're going to save that. You're going to take that with your ID. We're going to go to a local bank and open up a bank account in your LLC. So at that point, you're ready to do business. You have a bank account, you've created your LLC, you have an employer identification number for the IRS. Can't get away without filing taxes. Then you're going to go ahead and create your logo, your design, your brand, right? And this is the most important part. Spend a lot of time on this, guys. Don't rush to get it going, because you may utilize it on t-shirts, business cards, in your personal training studio. That's the most important part. Logo, design. Then you're going to find your niche market. Are you going to focus on weight loss, weight gain, adults, older population, youth fitness? Find out that niche and focus on your niche. Then you're going to go ahead, reach out social media, create all your accounts, Facebook, Instagram, that social media wheel. If you follow me enough, I talk about that wheel. It's a little bit of everything. It's email, social media, texting. That's that wheel. LinkedIn. Most important part as well is liability insurance. You don't want to start training the general public, whether it's at a park, in your garage, basement, wherever it may be, without liability insurance. Here at NPTI Florida, all of our students, while they're in class, they pay $25 for a $1 million aggregate annual policy. Then going forward, after they've graduated, they've been training for about 12 months, that policy is going to renew, and I want to say it's about $179, so it's very cost effective to run your personal training business, guys. Hopefully this is extremely helpful. If you want me to highlight anything, give me a call, 407-772-0057. Be more than happy to help you out, lead you in the right direction. Good luck with your personal training business, guys. Thanks.